Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into Newskiki.com, an online fashion store that claims to sell everything from vintage jackets to trendy accessories. On the surface, it looks like a fashionista's dream. But let's be honest, so does a poisoned apple if you light it correctly. We decided to dig a little deeper to see if this site is actually trustworthy or just another digital dumpster fire waiting to happen. First off, the product photos look incredibly professional, which was our first clue that something was up. A quick session with Google Lens revealed that many of these images were actually borrowed from other websites. Apparently, taking original photos is far too much effort when you're busy pretending to be a legitimate business. If they can't even show you their own stock, you have to wonder if the clothes even exist in 3 dimensions. Then there's the total lack of founder information. There are no names, no faces, and no team bios. It's basically the witness protection program for retail. Most genuine brands like to show off the people behind the scenes, but Newskiki prefers to hide in total anonymity. To make matters worse, the address listed on their Facebook page belongs to a random residential house. Because nothing says global fashion empire like shipping hoodies out of a suburban garage between loads of laundry. The website is also packed with those desperate, pushy marketing tactics we all love to ignore. You've seen them. Don't leave without this discount, and 50 people are viewing this right now. Sure they are, and I'm the king of England. It's a classic move designed to make you panic buy before you realize there's not a single customer review on the entire internet. No Trustpilot rating, no feedback, nothing. It's hard to get a 5-star review when your only happy customers are the bots you programmed yourself. To wrap this up, Newskiki.com is sporting more red flags than a parade in Beijing. Between the stolen images, the mystery owners, the fake office address, and the aggressive pop-ups, this site is beyond suspicious. My advice: keep your credit card in your wallet and avoid this place like a sale on gas station sushi. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this reality check, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.